In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate QuickBooks Self-Employed to QuickBooks. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get where you need to be quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for QuickBooks Online. Using a search engine is a safe, fast way to land on the correct page without memorizing a URL. When the results appear, look for the official QuickBooks site hosted by Intuit. You should see a secure padlock in the address bar and the domain ending with intuit.com. If you notice a regional version of the site based on your country, that's fine. Just make sure it's still the official Intuit site. This small check helps you avoid spoofed pages and ensures you're in the right place to begin. Once you're on the QuickBooks site, you'll see product or account options. Select the Self-Employed option. QuickBooks offers several editions like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. But choosing Self-Employed here is important because it aligns the experience with your current data and subscription. Think of this as telling QuickBooks, "I'm coming from the Self-Employed product." That way, the platform can present the most relevant paths and resources for your transition. If you see marketing for other plans, don't worry, you're not committing to a change just by viewing them. For now, simply confirm Self-Employed so you're working from the correct starting point. Next, sign in and complete any sign-in confirmations. Enter your Intuit account credentials, then follow the prompts for verification. Many accounts have two-step verification enabled, which might send a code by text, email, or Authenticator app. Keep your device nearby and be ready to enter the code promptly since these codes can expire quickly. If a code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment or use the resend option. Avoid requesting multiple codes back-to-back, which can cause delays. If you're asked to approve a login on a trusted device or confirm that you recognize the sign-in, go ahead and approve. This step is all about securing your account while getting you into the right place to manage your move. After you've successfully signed in and confirmed your identity, you'll be in the Self-Employed area within QuickBooks. At this point, you've reached the correct environment to continue your migration journey. From here, follow the on-screen guidance relevant to your account and timeline, review your information, and move forward at a pace that works for you. If anything seems off, a quick page refresh or trying a private browsing window can help clear cached hiccups. You're all set to proceed with confidence.